Huda in the back. Say hi. What's your name? Zai? Zaidal. Your name is Zaidal. This is Zaidan. Okay. Hi, Zaidan. Hi, Kincha. Hi. So, what are you doing today? You want a pencil? How old are you, Zaidan? 7. Ha? Grade 2 ka na? Wow.
Mga